Ja jedem. I'm eating. Ja jedem. Ti jedeš. You are eating. Ti jedeš. Ja, I. Ti, you. You informal. Now, usually we drop the ja because the verb ends in an M for I. The I verbs end in an M. So we have JEDEM. JEDEM ends in an M. And so do usually all the other present tense ja, I verbs. JEDEM, see that ends in M? I'm eating. JEDEM. And so too with ti JEDEŠ, we drop the T, the U, because usually all U informal verbs end in sh. JEDEŠ. See that little S with a V? JEDEŠ. You are eating. JEDEŠ sladoled. You're eating an ice cream. Sladoled. Ice cream. It's a masculine noun. JEDEŠ sladoled. You are eating an ice cream. Jedem sladoled. I'm eating an ice cream. Sladoled is a masculine noun, and in the nominative case, it stays sladoled, and in the accusative case, it stays sladoled. But jabuka is a feminine noun, so jabuka changes to jabuku in the accusative case. Jedem, I'm eating jabuku. I'm eating an apple. See that? Jabuka changes to jabuku in the accusative case. It's the same with kruška. That's a feminine noun. It changes to krušku in the accusative case. Jedem, I'm eating krušku, a pear. Sandwich is a masculine noun, so it stays the same. Nominative and accusative, no change, just sandwich. Jedeš sandwich, accusative, you are eating a sandwich. Jedem sandwich, I am eating a sandwich. With cheese, would you like to know how to say with cheese? Then just write in the comments and I'll do a video for you.